guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on day 5 for sneak peeks for our box of the month for November. So I hope you enjoyed Helen's video yesterday, who is crafting Mama Diaries on YouTube. Today I am sharing the last stamp set in the box. This one is called Desert Landscape. We have these really beautiful background stamps that you can stamp in color. So you can stamp it in black to have a silhouette like I'm going to do today. I'm going to create an inked up background, create a desert sunset, and then we're going to stamp out one of these in black. So I think it's going to turn out really pretty, so stay tuned for that. This stamp set comes with some sentiments. I will never desert you. It's kind of a play on words like desert and dessert, they're spelled the same. And then we have dream, and then we have wild birthday wishes. Okay, so we're going to use, I think I'm going to use this one here and use the sentiment. I will never desert you. I'm using Bristol Smooth paper to do my inking and stamping on. So what I want to do first is actually ink the background, and then we're going to stamp on top of it. I'm going to use Distress inks. Let's see, I have the purple, I have oxide. I wonder if I can mix the two because I really wanted to use this color combination. Let's see if I have, maybe I have an orange in the Distress ink because I do have that pink. Yes, this will work. So I'm going to use Seedless Preserve, Kitchen Flamingo, and Wild Honey for my sky. Let me get out my metal mat. So this is going to hold down my paper. I am going to cut it out in an oval, so I really don't have to worry about covering the whole thing. I think I'm going to start with the purple on the top. And then I'll work my way down. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the middle one because I'm gonna cut it out with this oval, and I think more of the image is gonna show really nicely with this big one here. And these would go great on a slimline card. You can actually maybe even try to layer these going across, making a large slimline card. I think that would be really neat. So let's go ahead and put this into the MISTI. And I want to make sure some of the pink is showing and the orange. And since I'm not coloring, I can stamp this with the VersaFine Clair. Okay, I'm going to cut this out and then we'll stamp our sentiment. And guess what, guys? I did not stamp it far enough down because my oval, if I put it up to the top, I wanted it to cut out like this. So to fix this, I'm just going to color this in black, that little piece that's going to show. Never mind, I figured out a way to fix it. I'll put the oval going landscape. So now I have a longer scene, which I like better. I'm gonna add my sentiment right there. All right, so we have our nice sentiment. All right, now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, I wanna add a little bit of blue to the top. My purple kind of faded with the pink. Okay, so I added prize ribbon to the top. I wanted it to look like there was 3 different colors. So I was thinking about either using this sheet to put this on top of, like the stars, or this one. So let's try this. I'm going to use the same die to cut a circle so I could inlay this piece. I'm going to cut this down. And then I'm going to pop in, so I can't decide if I like this side or this side. All right, I'm going to go for this side. I'm going to add a little bit of tape so my oval doesn't shift. I want to get it even on both sides here, pretty much. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the stripe side instead of this side. I just don't want to take the focus away from the stamp image. So I think I'm going to do this. So let's put this down first. And then I have a black frame to go around it. So tomorrow we're going to do a YouTube hop and giveaway. That starts at 9 a.m. Central Time. And also the release goes live at 9 a.m. Central Time. So be sure to visit the website to see all the new goodies. We'll have a new stamp and die of the month, a new paper pad club of the month, your junior box, and your box of the month. So lots of fun goodies. I'll have the paper and ephemera listed individually, so you can pick that up if you just wanted the paper and ephemera. If you wanted to get extra, you're on the club and you want extras, all of that will be available. The die for the stamp with the boots will be available on the website as well. There will be a free with 60 as always, and free shipping over $75 in the US. I do ship internationally. There is a shipping calculator in your shopping cart, so you can check that out if you're international. All right, so I'm going to inlay this piece. I was thinking about using a piece of ephemera and kind of adding it to the corner. But since I don't have any white on my card, I was thinking to cut off the white border. But I'm not sure if I want to add the hat. I was thinking about this, this hawk. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off the white and see how that looks. After fussy cutting something out, you could take a Memento dual marker and just go over the edges, cover any of that white core that may be showing. Okay, it gives your image a nice finished look, and then you don't have to be perfect at fussy cutting. All right, so there's my image. And I'm just going to have him flying off. Let's see, should I pop it up or glue it down? I think I'll glue it down, but not on the edges, so his wings could kind of flare out. So here is the finished card. I think it turned out really cool. It looks like it could be a masculine card. I love it. I I just love how the center is framed in like that, and then the bird is like, it looks like he's coming out of the scene. So I hope you guys give this card a try when you get your box of the month, and let me know your thoughts down below. I love reading them, and I'm excited to see you guys tomorrow for the hop and the release day. Thank you so much for shopping, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye, guys.